is good, though.
Well, especially winter weather, we don't want these floods to continue.
There you go, Pete.
I try to weave it together.
Wow, what a segue that
You gave that right to me.
Right.
That was a slow pitch. What a segue. Fantastic job. You're right, though. A little weather change coming up. We're seeing a cessation of some of the shower and thunderstorm activity around Southern California. We saw a nice blow up earlier this afternoon. Thought we'd have more problems in some of the already problemed areas, but things are really ramping down now. Weather Watchers Network. Go to cbsla.com/weatherwatchers. Sign up, start reporting. Some of today's daytime highs. Steve in Lake Arrowhead reported 63 for the high in Lake Arrowhead. Lake Arrowhead going to be in the 50s by the time the weekend rolls around. Stephen in Santa Barbara reporting 77 for the high. Jim in Seal Beach reported 84 for the high, and a couple of rainfall totals. Lake Arrowhead had just over a tenth of an inch, and Wrightwood came in with 5/100ths of an inch of rain today. After some areas yesterday, over 3.5 inches with that deluge. There's a satellite and radar product on a 6-hour loop. You can see the thunderstorm activity we had earlier this afternoon. A little more localized view there for you. I'm going to pop in the current Doppler radar. We have dried up nicely. A few spotty showers here and there. All the Doppler sites in full swing right now out over the Salton Sea or close to the Salton Sea area, south of the 10 in Riverside and Imperial County. Some decent thunderstorm activity extending all the way up through the Blythe area, almost into Parker. A lot of thunderstorm activity at this hour. Palm Springs receiving some light rain outside of San Jacinto, and then the mountains of Big Bear, Lake Arrowhead, and Wrightwood, just some spotty shower activity at this hour, and just one flash flood watch to report for San Bernardino County at this hour. The rest were allowed to expire. There's currents on the screen. 72 degrees downtown after only topping out today in the upper 70s for a daytime high. Sustained winds on the board. Everybody along the coast in single digits and calm. Palm Springs with double digits right now with that thunderstorm activity that's popping off in the Coachella Valley. Here's your headlines. Shower and thunderstorm activity continues for the mountains and deserts through much of the weekend. For the rest of us in the metro area who are completely left out of the rain, maybe a spritz early this morning on the commute. Patchy morning low clouds and fog for the coastal community, so thick we may see some early morning drizzle tomorrow and Sunday. As a matter of fact, many area daytime high temperatures dropping into the 70s by Sunday and a lot cooler temperatures. There's our low moving out. As it exits out, another one starts dropping in. It's going to drop in as an inside slider. That means it's going to come down over land instead of out over the ocean. When it comes out over the ocean, it picks up a lot of moisture and brings us some rain. When it drops down through the land, it generally dries out before it gets here. Some of the models showing some rain wrapping into it, but we're not hanging on to that. What we are hanging on is the fact that this trough really opens up, allowing for very cool air to come out of Canada to really cool us off, and it's going to feel like fall and look like fall. Cloudy skies through the weekend, through Monday. 81 downtown tomorrow, 78 at the beach, 85 for the valleys on Saturday. Your mountains, your IE, and your high desert, 60 and a good chance of thunderstorm activity or at least showers in the mountains and the IE, 83 for the high deserts. Much clearer skies, but cooler temperatures coming next week. Back to you guys.